My name's Jim Hennigan. I'm Head of Sales for Xceed Group. We're here at Cloud Expo because we can help organizations to move either into the cloud or into data centers, really to take them on that journey of moving their data center infrastructure. For most of our clients, the key challenge that they face when they're looking to move data centers is that it's an event that they don't regularly do. And if you don't manage these migration events on a regular basis, you're unaware of the challenges you're going to face, the pitfalls that you may hit. This is really our bread and butter. This is where we are expert. We've run multiple migrations for very large organizations. We've learned from that experience and we've built a platform to support the service that we provide.
I'm Simon Johnson. I'm the Practice Director for the Migrations Practice at Xceed Group. We're here to launch our MX Cloud offering, which allows us to migrate infrastructure and applications out from a traditional infrastructure environment over to cloud as part of an integrated transformation activity. MX Cloud is the capability for customers to move to the cloud using MX, which is our migration accelerator, which accelerates migrations up by 1/3 without increasing cost or risk. And it allows customers to use the standard cloud services as part of that offering. Cloud Expo is important for us because the type of customers that we're looking to attract are here. You may have noticed that the stand we have here today spans both Data Center World and Cloud Expo, and that reflects the combination of the data center migration piece with Cloud Expo that MX Cloud provides for our customers.
I think that some of the interesting lessons that we're learning from our experience here today at Cloud Expo are really, I suppose, the challenges that people are facing when they consider moving to the cloud particularly. They need to understand not just how do they get to the cloud, but what should they take to the cloud, how do they make those decisions, what are the risks, what are the alternatives? And I've been personally surprised by the level of interest in that. I think there's still a fear associated to moving the cloud, particularly in certain industries. I think there's still some learning that needs to happen and some teaching around security concerns, really how stable some of the cloud environments are.
In the last 12 months, the cloud industry has expanded very broadly. There are very many cloud operators that you see today. So over in Cloud Expo today, there are a very large number of stands that provide cloud services to customers. The difference between them and Xceed is that they provide just a cloud service, whereas Xceed provides a full range of services to whatever target technology you might want to go to.
Xceed Group's offering is unique because we actually understand the full journey, but we've taken our IP, we've taken all of our learning, and we've systemized that. Now the fact that we systemized it means that we're consistent in our approach, that we can really get to understand the full environment, all of the risks associated to it. We can demonstrate to people different scenarios. We can show if you want to follow a cloud scenario, here's the time it will take, here are the risks, here are the costs. If somebody wants to accelerate that, we can demonstrate the impacts, whether it's higher cost, higher risk. And the uniqueness there is really the fact that we have a system that underpins all of that.
I think the cloud environment is going to change. So customers understand that they are now having to move to a cloud, be that internal or external, but they're now starting to appreciate that's part of a much bigger story. They're starting to look more of a hybrid offering, not just into a cloud service, but also maybe a private cloud or application rationalization or a complete infrastructure transformation. So they're now not just looking at a cloud space, they're looking at a much broader environment.